Did you know about the extraordinary life of the bearded vulture? This magnificent bird of prey, also known as the bone eater, holds a fascinating secret. It's one of the few animals on Earth with a diet comprising almost exclusively of bones. Yes, you heard right, bones. These vultures have a distinctive way of consuming their meal. They drop the bones from great heights, shattering them into swallowable pieces. Their incredibly strong stomach acid, stronger even than battery acid, dissolves these bone fragments. This bird is a truly fascinating spectacle in the grand theater of the wild. Unfortunately, this bird is a near endangered species due to habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to help protect these magnificent birds and ensure their survival for future generations. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe.